Welcome back to another Mitch Fits video. Today we've got more Transit and T7 content. Today we're fitting the Rusty Lee swivel seat. It's the swivel seat adapter, sorry. So the first thing I've done off camera was take the bulkhead out. Obviously if you've got a bulkhead, take that out because you won't be wanting a swivel seat if you own a bulkhead. If you haven't, we'll get started. First thing we'll do is take the seat out and then drop this plate on in its place. So first step, I'm going to take the electrical connector for the seat off. It's held on with a 7mm bolt. So it's at the front of the seat, in the centre. If you feel around, you'll find the plug and you'll find the silver bolt. I'll get Cam to show you close up now. So with the bolt undone, now you can unplug it. And then there'll be a little bit of wiring that you just want to tuck out the way because it's going to go down to the chassis. So see what connectors you've got or little clips holding the wiring up. And then just disconnect those to allow it to hang freely. And then we can go ahead and take the T50 bolts out for the seat. Are you ready? Okay, with the 4 bolts for the seat undone, these were the T50s, we can now take the seat out. So we've got a bit of a cover on this seat base. So I'm going to take this off. It's a T25. And then it'll lift up from the back, disconnect the wires on that grommet, and slide it back. Okay, next step, now we've got that cover off, is put the plate on, like so. And then it'll be easier if you then use the handle and rotate it just that much, and now you can line all your holes up. So we can reuse the factory fixings that would have held your seat to the seat base now. So put those 4 bolts in. Just get all of them done by hand very slightly, and then you can now do them all up. So what I'm going to do is take out the fixings. Next step, reach in, grab your wiring. This can now be secured to the seat when we put the seat on. And then while we're at this stage, have a feel, see how tight it is. Make sure there's no rocking side to side. And then we can go ahead and bolt the seat on. So I've realigned the swivel adapter straight just while I put the seat on, just to make it easy to locate it. And then once the seat is just resting on, I will spin it at 45 degrees again to gain access to the fixings to do up the seat to the adapter. So with the seat now sat on top of the seat adapter, it's time to put the bolts in. So we want to put bolt and washer on the top and then the nut underneath. Okay. And then do that for all 4 and then we'll tighten them up after. Same again with the front, washer on top. So now we've got the bolts done up, I'm just going to connect the electrical connector back up. So plug it in, and then 7mm bolt, just re-secure it to the seat. Okay, we're just going to do a demonstration on how to spin the seat. It is a little bit of fiddly. So the first thing to do is slide the seat forward so you can then bring the backrest forwards to about there. And then what I've found the best thing to do is pull the release to spin the seat, but then just hold on to the front and back, the lever for moving the seat forward and backwards, and then you can just work your way around with it. There we go. Not too bad at all. And then obviously bring your backrest back, which you do like this. You've still got a nice reclined seating position when you're facing the back of the vehicle. So that is the Rusty Lee swivel seat base adapter now installed. As you can see, super comfy to sit in while facing the back of the vehicle. Looking forward to doing a bit more T7 and Transit content in the future. We've got a load more products coming soon. So don't forget to like and subscribe, click the little bell to get notifications for when we do the next video, and we'll catch you in the next one.